Hi, in this video I will show you how to claim your Pengu token on pudgypenguins.com. Claim is for free and claim is on Solana chain, so you need Solana wallet like Phantom or some other else. I'm using Phantom here. Log to your wallet. Phantom also and MetaMask, because eligibility includes Pudgy NFT holders, selected NFT communities, Solana and Ethereum OG users, cluster holders, and more. So if you have Ethereum wallet, maybe you are also eligible to claim, and you need to try every of your wallet. Okay, how to claim tokens? Go to claim.pudgypenguins.com. You will see this page. Click link Sol wallet, choose your wallet, confirm this message to connect your wallet with pudgypenguins.com, confirm it again. You will see here that your wallet is connected, and as you can see, I'm already claimed my Pengu token. Just to show you how to claim yours. Here you will see number of token that you can claim. You will see here your wallet, and here you will see claim. Just click on that. In your wallet you will have some pop-up window. Just confirm that transaction, and your Pengu token will be in your wallet. Also be sure that you have some Solana token in your wallet in order to receive Pengu token. Also on this address, claim pudgypenguins.com, you can link Ethereum wallet. Click on link Ethereum wallet, choose your wallet, click connect, confirm connection. You will see Ethereum wallet connected, and I'm also claimed on this wallet my Pengu tokens. But if you are eligible to claim, you will see your number here, number of tokens. Just click here, you will see claim, click claim, confirm all in your wallet, and your Pengu token will be in your wallet. The claim page will remain live for 88 days, so you have enough time to claim your Pengu token and earn free money. Thank you for watching.